So if you want.
Okay. I'll do it later.
Kite is basically a new program they have added. Okay, it's for helping to keep your codes tidy. The Kite it is available for VS Code. It's available as a plugin. So it is asking for a plate.
Yeah, but I dismissed it. I'll do it later.
Okay. Because what Kite will do. You remember when we are typing in Google Colab, as soon as we used to start typing, it used to provide us a lot of prompt, like what are the variables are created. It used to provide those variable prompts.
Okay.
Like nearest name of that object, it used to show the name to you to help you code better in faster way. The same performance. What has happened? Have you got your access?
No, still Delhi Online Training is the presenter.
Just what is going on? Is it connected or not connected? So meanwhile, probably just follow the steps so you can see how it is written. This looks very similar to your code you have written in Colab or you have written in Jupyter. But only thing here, what you have seen that everything is coming together, correct? Or probably in an object-oriented way.
Right.
So just select the first one, print your hello world. How to do that? F5 is a shortcut. You can select the line, that is line 8. Take your cursor, select it, then run F5. Or you can also run basically in multiple other ways. You can see there is a
play button.
There is a play button above in the bar.
Yeah.
Then next to it, you can actually just run the current cell also. Then there
but
is.
If I'm running hello statement, it is saying name Python is not defined. Why it is?
So that
yeah,
is
got it. No, got it. Actually, issue or something else. Yeah, I got my hello world printed.
What about others? Open your Spider also?
No sir, just अभी open हुआ है ना थोड़ा टाइम. मैंने launch कर दिया अभी Spider, पता नहीं कितना टाइम लेगा.
So what about Achal and Shilpi? Have you got your hello world printed?
No sir, मेरा बस Spider open हुआ है and then अभी कुछ नहीं हुआ.
As soon as your spider is opened, you can see here there is a temp.py file that has opened over here.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello. So in the
Yes,
temp.py,
sir.
you can see it is showing you basically print hello world. Select it and select it and run it. I'm not able to see. That's why I'm not able to get also. So what has happened to Karan? Let me call him. Hold on. Acha, he is telling join again, please. Why? It's wrong.
No, it is for the earlier when we disconnected, then he dropped that message to join again.
Yes, sir. He's not picking up the phone.
I was trying to call him. Nonetheless, it will see we understand it now, so it will these things will not challenge us much. So we can proceed forward also. Only thing is just follow. Hello, Karan. Karan, please make Mahendra presenter because I am also not presenter. I cannot make Mahendra presenter. Mahendra, okay, okay, sure, okay, sure, okay, good. So now we can see the system of Mahendra, correct? So Mahendra, now we will do some of the so just how to add a new file into this. Open your spider. Open your spider. Okay. How to add a new file? Okay. But it is coming as untitled file, so you have to rename it. How to rename it?
So
Just click on save.
Okay. So just
So?
while saving.
Either I can click on save.
Yeah.
Or is there any other way?
When you have clicked on save, then in that while saving, you can give a name to it.
Yeah, that I can do, but is there any other way?
So apart from
This
it,
is the only way to
it
save
is
it.
you are just saving as untitled. If you are opening it by
Okay,
test, or you can name it as a class 1. Yes, I think I have heard something from class _1. Okay, what about Babita? I have heard something Babita was asking.
yes sir, actually so मैं स्पाइडर लॉन्च कर रही हूँ 2-3 बार कर दिया बट वो ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा.
Why it is so?
रनो सर पता नहीं, मैंने 2-3 बार ट्राई कर दिया, लॉन्च कर दिया उसे, वो रन हो रहा है देन ओपन नहीं हो रहा.
You can go to your. You are using a Windows system, correct?
Yes sir.
So in Windows system, there is an icon for Anaconda Navigator. Click on that.
So Opal, I can make Kavita presenters so that we can see.
अरे मैंने वो फोन से ज्वाइन कर रखा है बट मैं लैपटॉप यूज कर रही हूँ.
See, that is the problem. Now you can see. So there is an Anaconda server also. If you want, you can log in over there.
Okay, sir. I will.
Anaconda server.
वही सही रहेगा.
There is another Anaconda
बट ये
cloud.
लॉन्च तो होना चाहिए ना, ये हो ही नहीं रहा, यहाँ से लॉन्च ही नहीं कर रहा है. रन कर रहा है देन ओपन नहीं हो रहा.
Upgrade your RAM actually. Keep 16 GB RAM laptop.
Without that also it runs. But
Yeah, everyone, we all are running at 8 on 8 GB. It's working. So what is the problem?
मैं भी तो उतना ही तो है. मैं शायद.
okay. So just try to follow the class.
Yes, sir.
So what about Achal? What you are facing problem? And Shilpi?
Sir, I'm on the same page.
You're on the same page, correct? So have you made your first PyTest Py file, class test Py file?
Yes, sir. इसमें भी एंटर प्रेस करने से रन हो जाता है कोड, अदरवाइज कुछ अदर ऑप्शन है इसमें रन कराने के लिए?
You can
This is the one
select
place you can click on this play button.
Okay.
and you can
Okay.
also run it with F5.
Sorry, sir.
F5. F5.
F5. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, but more than that, first now, Mahendra, I want you to write the comments. How to write the comments in Python? Now just you have ran it, delete this, start writing your comments. What you are trying to do today, accomplish today.
Okay.
So how to
I can
write a
use
comment?
this. I can use this also, or I can put my comment like it is already here.
Okay, use
The
the
same
hash.
way.
Use hash because those are actually so first class on spider. Then what we do?
सर सर फाइनली ओपन हो गया.
Because I know it will open. So we'll. That's why I have not progressed much. I'm just want to go with everybody. So what is happening is because of your system is not cleaned, it's taking a lot of time because your other things are taking up the RAM. So now open Spider. Click on Spider. How to open Spider? Mahendra, go to Anaconda page. Go to Anaconda navigator page and show her which one is Spider.
Here we have Spider, and here you have launch button. This is.
जैसा सर एक्चुअली ना मेरे स्पाइडर ही लॉन्च नहीं हो रहा था, देन वो हो गया.
अच्छा. Now
पेज ओपन हो गया.
Page.py, correct? So now add your own class underscore one py file. Have you created your own class underscore py file?
नो सर, ये फिर से कुछ आगे से प्लीज
You can see
यूज योर पैकेज एंड
how to do that. Mahendra, just take your cursor to the corner next to the folder icon where you have used save. Next to that, where you have taken your cursor to the in the extreme left hand corner where there is
floppy.
No, not the floppy. Save. So you are in the proper place, Mahendra. The last icon or the first icon in the exactly. Now click on that.
New one.
Exactly.
It will open a new. It will open a new untitled file.
New untitled.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you click on save, then it will ask for the name. Give the name for that. Then
I know वो kite install हो रहा है. Actually, वो just open हुआ था ना, तो asking for installing kite. तो मैंने उसे.
अरे मैं बोला था
कर देना था ना.
If you install kite.
Okay.
I told you to write install kite later on. So why I'm taking Spider? Because if you are struggling with Spider, VS Code will be much more challenging to you. Now, after what we do, as soon as you open a just recall back your days of programming. As soon as we load, what we load first?
Libraries.
Exactly. So
Okay,
now
okay.
something like a import convention.
Import convention.
No, that will be something like a hash import, because what you are doing, either you can write import libraries or import convention.
No, I'm giving a comment for that, or I'm directly importing the library.
You can comment for that. It's what you are doing.
Comment. Okay. Then loading library. We are loading required library.
Loading required libraries. Load some of the libraries. Import.
I can import Panda or NumPy, or there are some others.
You can do, means you can install, if some of the whatever things are installed in your system, you will be able to import them. So what you can do, import NumPy as np. You can NumPy as np. You can see one interesting thing. As soon as you written import NumPy as np, next to the 10, it is showing a yellow color.
Yes.
And if you take your cursor, what it is
NumPy
showing?
as NP imported but unused. It is saying NumPy as NP imported but unused.
That means you have just imported the library. Until unless you have imported something, and in your entire program, if you have not used it, it will show you, indicate you by this color.
Okay, that it is not used yet. Okay.
Exactly. Like, for example, you can do one thing. Import some of our common libraries. Now import NumPy as np.
That is already
Import pandas as pd. Then from matplotlib, import plt. Okay. So now you can see it is showing basically as cross.